I I think this is good enough for now. I'll probably be adding a few more things to make it look nicer eventually with time. If you want to know what I got for my PC, these are the specs. As you can see, I got an AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D, which got 8 cores and 16 threads, which should be more than enough for streaming and gaming at the same time, I'm hoping. Yeah, it's got some couple of SSDs in there. That's the case. What else? Yeah, I've got a Samsung Curve gaming monitor. I think this should be fine for now. I don't have a lot of money to sink into expensive monitors, so I'm just keeping that one. And yeah, gaming mouse. And I already got a keyboard, so I didn't order a keyboard for this one. Yeah, 64 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, this is 750 watt power supply, so that should be fine.